Good afternoon, good evening. It's your boy Mr. Malaji and I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to quickly unpack how do we prove this following identity. So obviously when you're proving an identity you need to take one of the sides and work with one of that side and see can you actually get the other side of the equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the left hand side. You could choose whichever side in this case. They're equally complicated. So this is my left hand side. And what you do with this type of identity, or once you have it like that, is you would times it with the conjugate. So what is a conjugate? Right now at the bottom there I have a 1 plus cos squared. So the conjugate of that will be a 1 minus cos x. And you need to times it at the top and at the bottom. And why are we doing this? Because this ultimately is 1. If you divide that guy, it's ultimately 1. So we're not changing the value of this left hand side or of this identity. All we're doing is just multiplying it by 1. So what you would do is you would times these across. So a sine x would be timesing with this bracket here. And at the bottom, you'd have these two brackets that are going to multiply each other. Then at this point, you would, you can distribute that sine x, but at this point, I don't think it's necessary for us to distribute it. I'll just rather work with the bottom, multiply those bottom guys, like how you would FOIL them out. And if I FOIL them out, 1 times 1 is a 1. 1 times a negative cos is a negative cos x. Cos x times a 1 is a positive cos x. And a cos x times that is a negative cos squared x. All I've just done is expand those brackets. Then at this point, what I'm noticing is that there are these like terms here that are going to cancel each other. So I'm going to cancel those. I'm still left with my sine x there, my 1 minus cos x, all divided by a 1 minus a cos squared x. Then at this point, what do? Remember, there's those identities that I can use. One particular one that I need at this point is the sine x or sine squared x is equal to a 1 minus a cos squared x. That's the one I'm going to replace this denominator with. And I'm obviously going to take the right hand side. So I'm going to replace it with sine squared. And if you do that, we have a sine x, open bracket 1 minus cos x, all over a sine squared x. Then at this point, what's going to happen is that these sines are going to cancel, 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And if that happens at the top, I'm left with 1 minus cos x. And at the bottom, I'm left with just a sine x. And if you have a look, if you scroll just back up, you will notice that that is in fact equal to the right hand side. So we've proven this identity, and there we go. So that's it from my side. I hope you this video was educational and you learned something. I will see you in the next video. Bye.